Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Christine Baranda Magdamit. I am 34 years old, single mom of one kid. She is 13 years old now. We are six siblings and I am the older sister. My education is high school graduate. I have an experience here in the Philippines from 2020 to 2024 as housemaid. My main duties is to take care of the children, 3 years old girl and 6 years old girl. I teach them how to read, how to count, singing, and sometimes dancing. I also do a household work like cleaning the house, ironing, laundry, marketing, and cooking. To my future employer, please consider me as your helper. I am honest and hardworking. I will finish my contract and I'm willing to extend if you need me. I am willing to learn to cook your food and language. Thank you so much.